Today I held flowers and I dressed in white. I made a promise and my mother cried. And every moment.
Dear Winnie, today I pray by the grace of God, I be the husband that you deserve, that you need at any day and at any time. I promise to love you not just for who you are today, but for who you will grow to be tomorrow and every day after that. I vow to be patient with you, with your dreams, and even be gentle with your fears, knowing that together we are stronger than anything life can bring.
God found me a woman, my woman, my priority. She fell in love with the wire. She means the whole world to me.
Simon, to be my husband. Promise before God and before this congregation to be a faithful and loving wife to you till death shall separate us.
Amen. Makofi.
It is a day that you've marked in our calendars, and we live to celebrate this day for the rest of our lives, as it marks the beginning of our new journey. Yes, our wedding day.
You love me better than I love myself. I just want you to know. You trust me better than I trust myself. I just wanna give you love. Cause when I close my eyes, I know you are right here with me by my side forever. Do you know how much I pray for you? Oh, pray for so long for you, darling. Be my love, and you see the red.
Kuna watu wa kasi. Naiko kwa si. Asante. Asante. Tuwashangilie kwa makofi.
The Lord has done it.
Finally, finally, finally.
The Lord has done it all.
Finally, finally, finally.
I said the Lord has done it all.
Finally, finally, finally.
The Lord has done it all.
Finally, finally.
I said the Lord has done it all.
Finally, finally.
Chineke menaya eh.
Finally, finally.
I said the Lord has done it all.
Finally, finally.
The Lord has done it all.
Finally, finally.
I said the Lord has done it all.
Wanalo kidogo hapa kidogo. Twende.
To deny you, all of my blessings are divine.
hapa.
Ngai ũyũ nĩ mwanake wa njoro ng'athĩirie keki ũyũ Ngai wa igũrũ.
At last.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave.
Thank you for being my person, my love, and my home. I'm so honored to walk through life with you, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. I love you.
Juu, man, utaunga. Yeah, nitakulisha vizuri. I'll take good care of you. You are safe with me. Yes. So I love you so much. Bye bye. Can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.